Hello there, I'm Pinak. Welcome to the Java Node Challenge. Today's episode, I'm going to create a 2D game from scratch. So without any delay, let's get started. First, let's create our class Game2D. Let's create a constructor. Let's make the class extend. Thing. Now, let's run the constructor. Now let's add a circle to our window. A black circle has been drawn in our window. Here, gravity has been implemented, but the ball is going below the window. So we need to correct that so that it stops before the window. Let's create a collision method. Or rather, let's create a method which creates objects which are colliding. After hours of bug fixing, the game is finally working fine, and that's it for today. Basic physics and collisions have been implemented in this game. I will improve on this game on my next video. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. Good day, devs.